am feeling excited. I've got this nice bubbly feeling in me. So I'm just so excited to see this come together.
This piece will be representing like the culture bursting out, you know, to show the world what we have to offer and what we've contributed to society as well. So.
Make sure you enjoy the beach.
What the beach is involved?
In Jamaica.
What's been nice actually is seeing people as they walk past already as it's been developing, and the little things that they say, the little wows, the little, oh, this is interesting.
Everything around me is just doing its thing, and just like nature.
Hoping this piece inspires the younger people to look more into nature, you know, be curious about what these plants are, and you know, and take the time out to learn and ask their parents, ask their peers around them. I want them to feel a sense of inspiration, especially like, you know, young black kids, you know, young kids of African descent, Caribbean descent. You know, I want them to feel a sense of connection to these spaces, you know, so when they leave these spaces, they feel a sense of sentimentalness, you know, and that deeper connection to these spaces.
So the roots are kind of inspired by the bonsai tree and a lot of the trees that you find in the Amazon rainforest. Some of the splashy leaves, they're sort of dripping down, and there's kind of an indication of a willow there as well. You've got the maple leaves, and then you've got these more almond leaves as well. So it's kind of to show, it's a metaphor for how this is everyone's tree, and it represents all identities.
Behind the door is a story, and sometimes those stories are hidden and people don't meet those people. Do you know what I mean? It's what's behind those doors, what's behind those curtains. So let's take a peek, let's go inside, let's meet them and let them burst out. Do you know what I mean? So that is the journey as we travel down the street into possibility and future.
It's amazing. I'm kind of speechless. Seeing ourselves represented kind of for the first time, it's a really overwhelming, wonderful feeling to see us all here, all represented. We don't see ourselves in spaces often. We're not in books, we're not in a lot of the film or media out there on the environment, we're not in academia. So to see a project that we've been building slowly but surely over 5 years, and all the people that have come along on that journey, to see them here now in this space, supported by We the Curious, amazing. Beautiful, bright colours that is so reflective of our cultures, and I think, you know, it almost brings a bit of the sunshine in with us. Yeah.